addendum it has dictionary meaning, and it has technical meaning, and it has a medical legal meaning. So its addendum means late entries or corrections to the medical records. Okay, why it's done like this? For medical legal protection of our patient. And yes, I agree. If you do something, you have to write it. Why it's usually required? It's either 1, 2, 3, right? It's number 1. It's knowledge misconduct. Number 2, it's for skill misconduct. You don't know what is the code of extra scaling, or you don't know what is the code of using 2 IOPAs for a self-pay is different than U IOPAs for theta. So it's number 2, it is a skill misconduct. Or number 3, sadly, it's a behavioral misconduct. Under behavior, you can open the bracket: calorie saving mood, negligence, low values, ... Sadly to say, everyone here has the enough knowledge to be in the facility, and everyone here should have the minimal skill to run his business. So sadly, and I am on it, sorry for you, I have a feeling, and this feeling is now a belief, that most of our mistakes is based on a behavioral thing. Let's have a glimpse for the communication that sent change appointment time. Even you don't know what is the change, the next appointment time. So what is the definition of behavioral misconduct? Please open the violation codes. It's a behavior, mostly it's behavior. Yes, not uploading the proper OPG will go for improper diagnosis and improper treatment. It is not. It is a medical legal term. It's a malpractice. And yeah, I know doctors are clever to merge the line between the complications and malpractice. How to run an addendum. Let's go for any patient. So you can open any patient, whatever the status of the visit. Okay, and yes, you can do addendum, and addendum is per visit. So how to do the addendum? Write it down, please. Steps of doing the addendum. Number 1, open the appointment log. Number 2, choose the visit that you want to take addendum. So any visit that it is completed, you are able to open it again. So check the visit date. Of course, addendum is per visit. Click the being seen. Although click being seen. Take care, it is grayed out. So this is, we are not making addendum in front of you. Yes, it's okay to be gray. Okay? Then it will jump here, we'll jump directly to process. It will open the EMR. The EMR, you're gonna be directed to the post-treatment document. You will be directed to the EMR/treatment post document. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're gonna click addendum. So on clicking addendum, it will open the page of the addendum, so it's not yet. So you're gonna view the history of the addendum, which is here, and there's gonna be the yellow bottom of, so click create addendum. For now, we are not making in the fully action addendum because it's very difficult for us. So we are opening only the important 2 things, which is either the diagnosis. This is whatever you write here is gonna save your ass in the IR. These two things is to tell us in the IR what was the problem. Okay, so let's assume that it's a treatment plan. But for a treatment plan, I have to also change diagnosis. And next step, fill the addendum form. This is called addendum form. Then submit, خلاص, fill and submit. Now you are in the addendum mode. This is the addendum. So you are allowed to change diagnosis. You are allowed to remove diagnosis. Let's add and let's go for add code. Okay, let's go for a code of anodontia, disturbance of tooth eruption, and add code. Yeah, sorry. So choose tooth number 14 or tooth number 16. Add code. Okay, so now you add diagnosis. You can push. Okay, then you will be added to a request. If you want to do some blah blah blah, we are opening for you. But you cannot spoil or they cannot hide the old one. So the old one will be ready for you like here. But the step is add, remove, edit diagnostic codes, then click submit and proceed. Next point, add, edit narrative diagnosis under the updated narrative diagnosis box. Under the updated narrative diagnosis box. Don't tell me, doctor, I cannot write here. It will go to the treatment codes. You have two options. Now in the treatment codes, you have two options. You cannot remove, but you are be able to void and add. How to add? Of course, you can add only on the visit of the last visit that you opened it. Yes, you can fix the last one. The last one will be only this open for you. Now, click next. Then add treatment codes, add or void the necessary or the required treatment codes. Then submit and proceed. Submit, proceed. You will be jumping automatically to the, if you add a missing inlay, of course you have to write it's blah blah, and it's a copy paste from the diagnosis.
Yes.
And by the way, by the way, we are giving you additional non-addendum period when you forward the visit. Even it's completed, if it is within the day, we allow you to play with the transcription. So that's it. I make it trying to make it as knowledgeable as possible, as easy skill as possible. So, but the third one I cannot help it.